when I cut the vines of the sweet potatoes, I place them underneath this tree so that they can get some shade. Otherwise, they would just fry underneath this hot Florida sun. And so, you see here, they've got all kinds of roots. Now, one thing you have to be careful about, you see there, it's breeding mosquitoes. So the choice is, you empty this out every day, or you get mosquito dunks. The problem with emptying it out every day is you might forget, but also they'll cling to the roots while you're changing it out. And so mosquito dunks are the best thing.
All I have needs I have not provided.
So this is a pack of 20 mosquito dunks. So you see they're just little donut shaped things. You just throw them in the water, they float, and they have an ingredient that will kill the mosquito larvae. I think it's Bacillus thuringius. I'll research it again and I'll put that across the bottom here so you can know for sure what's in here. So in the past, what we have done is we've put these buckets with nothing in them strategically around our house so that the mosquitoes are attracted to that water and they lay their eggs there, and then there's nothing that's going to come of it because all the larvae are being killed. We also have a little pond area that if it rains a lot, it will fill with water, and we'll put a couple of mosquito dunks in there too. The directions will show you how many you need for your body of water. If it's a large body, I don't know if these are going to be good enough, but that's what we do to keep the mosquito population down where we live. The mosquito dunks will last for several weeks, and then you just replace them. So I'll put a link in the description below. These boxes are full of sweet potatoes. How would you like to buy just one sweet potato and never have to buy sweet potatoes again? I've been growing sweet potatoes for a really long time, but I wanted to see if I really was growing them the best way possible. So the last couple of years, I've ran some experiments, and the results of those experiments surprised me.
Great.